Earbuds that look like jewelry and feel like you're wearing nothing? Let me show you something actually different. Today we're reviewing the King Lucky Open Ear Clip-On Wireless Earbuds, and honestly, these are not your regular earbuds. First thing you notice? The design. These look more like fashion jewelry than tech. Clip-on style, crystal-inspired finish, and super lightweight, just about 5 grams each. Now here's the interesting part. No in-ear pressure, no ear pain, no blocked ears. They just sit on your ear gently. Perfect if you wear glasses, have small ears, or hate in-ear buds. Honestly, you might forget you're even wearing them. Inside, they come with Bluetooth 5.4, so connection is fast and stable. Music, videos, gaming, everything feels smooth with low delay. And the battery? Up to 50 hours total with the case. That means days of use without worrying about charging again and again. They're also IPX5 water resistant, so sweat and light rain? No problem. Perfect for workouts, walking, or outdoor use. For calls, they include ENC noise reduction, so your voice stays clear even in noisy places. And here's the cool part, detachable crystal-style earrings, so you can switch between fashion mode and tech mode anytime. So overall, these earbuds are all about comfort, style, and daily convenience. If you want something lightweight, different, and fashionable, this is definitely worth considering. Would you wear earbuds that look like jewelry? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, follow, and stay tuned for more tech reviews.